The last thing I'd say is pretty much like decorating. You can do a lot of things. Say if you want to make the wall a little bit more fancier, you can add, let's see, you can make the wall not flat. Say I want to make fancy walls, I can do something as simple as adding like these pillar-like things on it. Like so. I can add these and then I can just apply it on every single face that you're going to be able to see to make it, you know, make it more better. It's like advanced stuff right here. See how much better it looks already? I mean, come on, that's awesome. Love that. Honestly, I don't like the look of that. But yeah, I do know how overlays work, so it's all good. I'm just going to apply that. Over there, yeah, that's fine. I'm just gonna make this map look a little bit more fancier. Make it less bland and just add ridges and stuff. Now, you can make it even more fancier if you wanted to by just making the shape out of it with the vertex or pretty much just the vertex tool. You can just do that. That's actually really ugly. In which case, I shouldn't use that. I want to see if this works better. Yeah, it looks really ugly. Yeah, I'm just going to leave it as such. You can make it look like that if you want to. I don't know why anyone would want to, but again, I use the vertex tool for that. I'm going to use the clipping tool for the rest. It's going to look exactly the same. Except I don't know why the vertex tool makes it that texture over there is like that. So. Boom. Even fancier, you know. Like that, see? You can add things in between, make it look fancier. That's the goal. I don't like that decal either, so I'm going to switch that out. Now, more advanced things are like, well, I'm not going to explain it at all unless you guys want me to make it, so I'm going to leave this as is. I told you all the tools that I use. I don't use the camera or the magnify because I just, you know, I see no point in it, to be honest. You can just use your mouse wheel to zoom in and zoom out of the grid. The camera, you just kind of, you know, move where your camera is just by using a grid. I mean, I can do that just by holding space and then left click dragging around to look, and then your typical WSAD to actually move around the map if you didn't know that. If I were to run this, last thing I forgot in that entity section actually, there wouldn't be no lights whatsoever. Guess where I would find that? Because I'm already hovering over it. Entity tool. Let me take the entity tool. You can also switch your object class over here and just type in light. Now you have multiple lights. Light dynamic. I don't really use that. Light environment for outside stuff. Light spot. Spotlights. Those are the main ones. I'm just going to use a typical light. I'm just going to put it up here. There's your light. Now again, this is just all the tools and such, and I'm showing their usage. The ones I use actually. So nothing overly done, nothing bad at all. If you want me to make more like harder, I guess, harder tutorials, more advanced ones, message me, leave a comment, anything like that, and I'll do it for you guys. I'm gonna stop it here, and I'm gonna edit the map a little bit more to make it look fancier, and see you guys in a bit. Now I know the map doesn't look good, but there it is. Here's what you created. Now I spawned it. It's not really Counter-Strike, so I never really did anything with that. But here's the prompt physics that I added. You never really saw me add, but here you go. Prompt physics. The table's not showing up for some reason. I'm not sure why. Table, or the chair, rather. Other chair. Prompt physics. The light works. And these are props and lights and stuff that are added. I never changed the values or anything. I added the gun. I don't know what gun I took. door. Should work. As it does. Again, unknown values. You can change the sounds for that if you wanted to. Open and close it. You can make it close one way if you change the value. Open and close one way if you change the values. And then here's the other room with the lights. There you go. That's all for now. It's not really fancy. It's not really that good of a map, but these are all for you guys to know what the tools do and to just practice, fool around on your own until you can get good with it. So, hope all these helped, and if you need any help, if you need to ask questions, if you want me to make other advanced tutorials on how to do things, then just message me on Google+, on YouTube, leave a comment, and I'll do that for you guys.